Hi, in this video, we will learn how to clone the XMCloud Foundation head repository. So let's start. We will learn how to clone the XMCloud Foundation repository as well as the folder structure of the XMCloud Foundation starter kit. Once we will clone the repository, we will explore what are the different folders available for us to work and what has been provided by Sitecore. So first of all, let us open the browser. You can see on my screen, I have already opened the Github and XMCloud Foundation head. For you, if you want, you can search for XMCloud Foundation head and open the Github site. You will be presented with the XMCloud Foundation head page. From this page, click on the code button and then switch over to the GitHub CLI. GitHub CLI is command line interface commands provided by GitHub for working with the GitHub repositories. I am using this GitHub CLI for this demo. Copy the command and paste this command over here. GitHub repo clone Sitecore labs slash xmcloud hyphen foundation hyphen head and shorten the folder name by providing an appropriate name, let's say XMC training, and hit enter. Now the repository is cloned on our local system. Let us go to the folder and open this folder into the Visual Studio Code. Here, as a second objective of the video, we are going to explore the folder structure and how the application starter kit has been organized by Sitecore. Here on the screen, you can see that we have different folders available for exploration. We can see local containers. Inside this folder, we will see the Docker folder, and inside that we have a build folder containing the CM, Node.js, and rendering folders, which are having different Docker files for each application to work. These are the customizations that are required and applied by Sitecore to make sure that necessary commands get executed while creating the containers. Apart from the build folder, we have a data folder available where these folders are containing no files as of now, but in the upcoming videos, we will explore what are the different files available in these folders. Deploy folder is utilized for deploying our local code to Docker. Traffic traffic contains the certificates folder and the configuration folder. Here you can see a configuration file YML file which will map to the certificate files, and this one. We will learn in the upcoming videos that how these folders are mapped to the Docker as a volume. Apart from this Docker folder, we have another folder available which is scripts. We have different scripts available. The very first being used is init.ps1. This initialization script is utilized to initialize the entire application startup. Up and down scripts are utilized to bring up the XMCloud environment on local as well as to down the running environment. Some other files are containing helper folder functions to utilize in the up and the down scripts. Head apps. In this head apps, we can see that Next.js starter application, which is based on the Next.js JSS application. We can see different folders available. In the SRC folder, we have assets, BYOC, components, library, pages, and temporary folder. The most important one and the most utilized folders are pages and the components for the development of the XM Cloud. In the pages, we can see that underscore app.tsx file, error.tsx file, path.tsx file, and 404 and 500.tsx file. These files are utilized across the application while implementation as well as serving the application. We will get the details of each of these files during the upcoming videos while we learn the development of XM Cloud. Apart from these head apps, we have authoring folder available where we can find the serialized item for the default rendering host. This will be serialized to our local XM Cloud environment when we start the environment through the Docker, and the rendering host will be created. Platform is containing the platform project that we can utilize to implement server-side functionalities and get it deployed to XM Cloud environment. Here in the .sitecore, we can see different schemas available where module file.schema.json, root configuration file schema.json, and user configuration.schema. All these are the configuration files which are utilized by Sitecore for different operations like serialization and other relevant operations. This .config file contains the .NET tool configuration, which contains the available command information, all this information about the Sitecore CLI, Sitecore, and the tools, different tools. If we have any other additional tool installed, then this .NET tool.json file will list over here. So um, while working on the XM Cloud Project, we may need to include some other .NET tools to work with for our applications. Okay, so in this video, we will learn how to clone the repository and the folder structure of the XM Cloud Foundation Starter Kit. Though we have done a very high level exploration of the folders, in the upcoming videos, we will do the detailed exploration and explore the functionality of each and every folder or the file, whatever required, and what are the most important files. Thank you.